Alright, we're at day 5 now. Well, 5. Can't count. Go figure. Today, we're building a wall here and then the wall over here. Stop the sunlight. Because it's going to get bright. As the day comes in, we're going to ruin the shot. Right now, it's not that bad because it's early morning. But during the summertime, the sun comes this way, ruins shots. So, alright, that's day 5 in the books. I didn't show you a good bit of me putting the wood up because I work a lot faster without a shirt on. I didn't think y'all want to see a fat guy with his shirt off. So, I want to save y'all eyes for better content. But what I did was on the wall that's going to have the grills is 2 long and then a long and a couple short. And I patterned it that way. On the wall that's going to be behind me is a long and a short, and then a long and a short. And then patterned it back and forth that way. So next up, we got to do the staining process. And then after that is decorations. So we're moving ahead. Not too much longer before we get back to cooking. Thank y'all for watching so far. Alright, so we're at day 6 now. We're talking stain. I got 5 cans over here. Might only use 3. Don't know. I'll see when I get there on how much I've got inside these cans, what color they are, so forth. But we're going to go ahead and start staining these boards. This one is supposed to be a driftwood color. Which is definitely a color I will be using. we go, the final product. A 10 by 24 structure. I've got my flags hanging up that I've got. I need 6 more flags to go. On this wall here, we're going to put the pits that I'm going to be cooking on at the time. Still waiting on the more of the background decorations that I'm going to put up. Amazon's running late with all the decorations, but I can shoot in the meantime now. My sticker wall. So y'all go ahead and send me more stickers. And that's everything.